Welcome to SOS Electronic. Rohde & Schwarz has introduced the next generation MXO3 oscilloscope that sets a new benchmark in diagnostics, now faster, more precise and more compact than ever before. Built on the cutting-edge MXO architecture, it now comes with premium features as standard. The series once again raises the performance bar in the mid-range oscilloscope category, focusing on three core user benefits: speed, precision, and compactness. When measuring, the usual goal is to find issues fast and catch anomalies the moment they appear. The MXO3 helps you uncover even the subtlest details. With the currently class-leading update rate of up to 4.5 million waveforms per second, you gain unparalleled statistical probability of capturing rare, transient events while simultaneously eliminating blind time. It achieves up to 99% signal capture in real time. And it offers ultra-fast trigger rearming of 21 nanoseconds and zone triggering. Whether you are dealing with high-speed digital signals, switching transients in power electronics, or EMI/EMC glitches, the capacity to capture extensive waveform data during measurement and testing is an invaluable asset. Debugging modern mixed-signal designs requires a clear vision of small signal behavior even in the presence of large amplitudes. The MXO3 delivers exceptional visibility even in such scenarios. It offers native 12-bit vertical resolution across all sampling rates and 18-bit hardware-accelerated high-definition mode that further increases resolution and helps isolate tiny signal components that would otherwise be masked by noise. High resolution is particularly useful when measuring small signal perturbations within large amplitude waveforms. The low noise signal path ensures that what you see is truly what's happening. The MXO3 combines several professional instruments into one compact unit, saving space and budget while remaining ideal for both lab and field use. It's built to tackle demanding tasks in research and development, automotive, aerospace, and production testing. Alongside the 4-channel model, the 8-channel MXO38 is also available, a genuinely unique option in its class. More technical information, as well as practical guide how to choose your oscilloscope, can be found on our website. If you purchase the MXO3 by the 15th of April 2026, you will receive the complete PK1 application bundle, including all software extensions worth of 4,900 euros for free. If you are interested in further details, do not hesitate to reach out at soselectronic.com. We'll be happy to assist.